Miaka 20 kuma kubwo gwa kigina kia UKURIA wa MATUURA kia NG-CDF muingi na atongoria kuma ituri itiganite cia bururi ne mataririo rito na itemi nene kigina giki kihotithitie bururi gukinyaniria UKURIA na uthii wa na mbere kuhitukira tabarira itiganite iria kigina giki gikoretwo gigitabania bururi-ini.
I completed my KCSE in 2002 with a mean grade of B, but I was not able to join any facility of a higher learning institution. But upon 2021, the national government CDF managed to select me, and I was given a full scholarship to go and pursue clinical medicine in Kenya Medical Training College.
Makiaria hindi igongona ria gukunguira kigina giki na riria ritongoririo ni mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Ruto. Atongoria matiganite magwetire kigina giki ta gukorwo kiahurire njeki nene ya mbunge hari ukinyaniria wa utungata wao kuri muingi. Kuona kiamaheire hoti wa gutabania tabarira itiganite ta waki wa mathukuru, barabara cia matura kuheana basari hamwe na mangĩ.
In comparative terms, Your Excellency, and this is not in any way demeaning what our great governors do, in many jurisdictions, you are likely to see a lot more visible CDF work than devolution work.
The country is facing very severe conditions, but the National Treasury has managed to disburse 40 billion to date, and it is committed to disburse the remaining amount before the end of the financial year.
Akinyitanira na miario ya atongoria ya mutongoria wa bururi eranire wirutiri wa thirikari hari gutigirira ni atuma kigina giothe kia NG-CDF mbere ya guthira kwa mwaka uyu wa kigina. Guo kwathire bodi ya kigina giki kuiga muhari-ini wa mbere icigo mbunge iri kurongoreria waki wa ceceni cio kinyaniria wa kiriu cia ICT.
This fund, Your Excellency, with the current allocation, let me be truthful, ukifukuzwa kwa bunge ukiwa na hiyo pesa, you had no business being in bunge in the first instance.
Because CDF puts at your disposal close to 600 million in your term of 5 years. Friends, with 600 million, if you cannot win an election, then you, I mean, you have, wewe ni bure kabisa. Kabisa.
Ni kumana no mutongoria wa bururi athingatire mbunge kuhanyukio hitukia wa riboti ya kamiti ya WUIGUANO ya NADCO niguo kuhotithia kugathika kigina giki gatiba-ini ya bururi noguo gwithemana na aria mathiaga igoti-ini makienda giteanirio ni gukorwo kiri mugaru na watho.
Those of us who had the privilege to bring this to be by joining Engineer Karue in the 9th Parliament, we want to see you as the 13th Parliament make your contribution also by making this CDF constitutional.
No na thengia wa maya ciiko cia ungumania iria kaingi igumagira urugamiriri wa kigina giki itinaga kumurikwo hindi ya kigomano giki kuria president okireire aria othe makuruhanitio no huthiri muru wa kigina giki ta gukorwo mari yendi kuona kigina giki kirongoreirio kugacirithia miturire ya muingi matura-ini.
Any member of parliament who presides over the misappropriation of CDF or the theft of CDF should never be elected.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mura Wagunya.